How to politely decline invitations in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential aspect of conversational English: declining invitations politely. Saying no can sometimes feel awkward or difficult, but it's an important skill to master. By the end of this video, you'll know how to say no with grace, keeping your social relationships intact. Before we dive into the phrases and examples, let's understand why knowing how to decline is essential. There are numerous situations where you might not be able to accept an invitation. Perhaps you have other commitments, maybe you're not interested, or you're just not available at the time. Learning to say no respectfully can help maintain good relationships and avoid misunderstandings. When you decline an invitation, you usually want to follow this structure. 1. Acknowledge and thank. First, acknowledge the invitation and thank the person for it. 2. State your reason. Be honest but tactful about why you can't accept. 3. Offer an alternative. This isn't always necessary, but it's a nice touch. Let's break these down. Start your response by showing gratitude. Here are some phrases you can use. Thank you for thinking of me. I appreciate the invite. It's kind of you to ask. Next, get to the point and kindly decline the invitation. Here are some expressions to help you. Unfortunately, I have another commitment. I'd love to, but I can't make it this time. I have to pass, but thank you for the offer. In some cases, it's nice to offer an alternative. This could be another time to meet or suggesting someone else who might be interested. Phrases include, can we reschedule? How about next week? I can't come, but my friend Sarah might be interested. So, how do these phrases work in actual conversations? Let's look at some examples. Example 1. Person A, would you like to come to my party this Saturday? You, thank you for thinking of me. Unfortunately, I have another commitment. Can we catch up next week instead? Example 2. Person A, do you want to go to a concert this Friday? You, I appreciate the invite. I'd love to, but I can't make it this time. Example 3. Person A, we're going for a hike this weekend. Would you like to join? You, it's kind of you to ask. I have to pass, but how about going for a coffee sometime next week? And there you have it. Now you're equipped with the phrases and structure to decline invitations politely in English. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions or want to see more content like this, let me know in the comments below. Have a great day, everyone.